Hello everyone! Holdout just started, so let's just get straight to it. Actually, let's talk about the tune first. Just got started, so still experimenting, but I've got one Devout, he's Distraction, got my Darkstorm of course, Braden, because I had too much, I had like under 200 capacity, that's why. A bunch of Absolvers, and the Cardinal! Yes, let's test out that Cardinal, see how he actually does. But it might be interesting. We'll see how it goes. There we go. That's the tune. Although they might not have a lot of work, to be honest, because we're gonna make use of Absolvers, of course, There we go. The Vow. We're gonna put him here now. We know this faction. Oh, what? Okay, well that's disappointing. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be the Ryokai faction. We know that, so we only need to be careful for those, rocket launching units, because they outrange our Darkstorm, but that's about it. And these bad boys, let's see how much it takes. Takes too much, doesn't it? Yeah, it takes too much. But yeah, anyways, let's see how it goes.
Points in blaming you, you did not know. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I give you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
And that was it! Whoop whoop! Let's just get straight to Holdout 2. I'm liking this tune, it's doing pretty good. So let's keep it up. Alright, so Holdout 2 is going to be the same tune as Holdout 1. The only difference I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put them slightly together. Because my absolvers were kind of far apart, so that's the only difference I'm gonna do. So the bludgeons or whatever they're called, they can't really attack me, so that's the idea. And then I'm calling a few absolvers a number, so in case they need to rush out, and this bad boy needs to kill those bludgeons or whatever you call it. Yeah, his name is Braden, by the way, so if anyone. Okay, look, perfect. Example, he needs to kill them, he will rush, oh snap. And then it should be fine. So yeah, let's go.
Between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go. Until the very last hour, we still got few more days to slay. It's gonna get so much louder. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm.
What? That was easy as hell. Did you see the little trick I did for those tanks because of their range? I moved the Vow a little bit the opposite side while I kill it with Braden. I don't know, maybe that's a useful tip. But anyways, let's go to Holdout 3. Holdout 3, let's go. Come on. Come on. I feel like this tune might be it. This tune actually might be it. Same tactic as usual. Put those in the close circle. There we go. And that's it. Even bigger waves, they can handle it. It's crazy. Okay, I've got my numbers ready. So, I don't know. Without further ado, let's just sit back and enjoy. Alright, this was easy yet again. The only thing I still need to somewhat figure out is, you know, where I'm gonna place my absolvers, but if, like you can see, it's so easy, it's ridiculous. Yeah, also a good tip, of course, if you wanna, those tanks, if you want actually one-hit them, you need to get closer than what I'm doing. But this was it for Holdout 1, 2, and 3. In the next video, of course, I will do the Holdout bonus. I'll probably use the same tune because, you know, this is just free repair, super easy. But yeah, hopefully everyone now knows, you know, where the waves are coming from, because that's of course one of the most important thing. And Holdout, Cardinal didn't have to do much, but he did good. It was nice. So, as always, I hope it was useful. Please like, please subscribe, and I see you guys next time.
Didn't even get to bronze.